Hello mga katropais! In this video, i-aim natin na ma-strengthen ang knowledge of theories and concept by applying them in sample problems. Kaya make sure to stay tuned until the very end kasi dito sa PICE-PUPSC Acad TV, we'll leave no one behind. Have fun learning and enjoy! So, our topic on this video is all about laws of exponents. So, dito, before tayo proceed sa mga sample problems, discuss muna natin yung mga iba't ibang law. So, here, we have product of a power. Let's say, x raised to m times x raised to n is equal to x m plus n. Okay, so motion of a power naman, let's say x raised to m over x raised to n is equal to x m minus 1. Sa power of a power naman, we have x m quantity raised to n is equal to x m times n. Okay? Sa power of a product naman, let's say we have xy quantity raised to n. This will be x raised to n and y raised to n. So next law is power of a quotient. Let's say x over y quantity raised to n. This will be x raised to n over y raised to n. So next law is negative exponent. Let's say x raised to negative n. This will be 1 over x quantity n. So kapag negative exponent, i-reciprocal lang natin to. And then, nasa denominator na tong base natin na x, then yung power magiging positive. So next naman is 0 exponent. Let's say x raised to 0. So kapag 0 exponent, laging equivalent to 1 siya. So sabihin natin, 400 raised to 0, this will be 1. Okay? So dito naman sa identity exponent, let's say x raised to 1, lagi ang sagot dito yung base. So x. So sabihin naman natin dito na 400 raised to 1, this will be 400. Okay? So, after natin ma-discuss yung mga law, let's proceed na sa sa mga sample problem. So, we have sample problem number 1, 3 cube, quantity raised to negative 2. So, dito, mapapansin natin na may negative exponent siya. So, ang gagawin natin is to reciprocal. So, magiging 1 over 3 cube, then magiging positive 2 yung negative 2 dito na power. So, dito, pwede nating ipag-times tong power nila, yung cube and yung squared. So, magiging 1 over 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Ayan. So, dito, pwede nating i-simplify pa tong denominator. So, magiging 1 over, yung 3 raised to 6 natin is equivalent to 1 over 729. So, this will be the answer of our sample problem number 1. Okay. So, let's proceed to the sample number 2. We have 3 over 4 squared, quantity raised to negative 2. So, dito, makikita natin na may negative ulit. So, what we should do is 2 reciprocal. So, magiging 1 over 3 over 4 squared, quantity squared. Okay? So, dito, pwede nating i-distribute tong squared dito sa numerator and denominator. So, magiging ganito siya. 1 over 3 squared over 4 squared times 2. Yan. So, pwede nating i-simplify itong denominator. So, magiging 1 over yung 3 squared natin is 9 over natin, yung 2 times 2, magiging 4. So, magiging, ano siya, 4 squared. Yan. So, simplify ulit natin itong 4 squared. Magiging 1 over 9, magiging over, itong 4 squared is equivalent to 256. So, dito mapapansin natin na complex fraction siya. So, ang gagawin natin is to reciprocal this. Itong 9 over 256, then i-times natin siya sa 1 over 1. So, magiging ano na lang siya, 256 over 9. So, ito yung answer natin for sample problem number 2. Yan. So, let's proceed to sample number 3. We have x squared y cubed over y cubed x raised to 4. So, dito pwede nating gamitin yung quotient of power. Gawin natin is x dito. Then, kunin natin yung power niya na 2. I-minus natin sa power ng x dito sa denominator na 4. Then, yung y, kunin natin yung power ulit ng numerator. Then, minus natin sa denominator na 3. Yan. So, this will be x. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Then, y, 3 minus 3 is 0. Yan. So, dito makikita natin na meron tayong negative exponent and zero exponent. So, ang gagawin natin kapag negative exponent, i-reciprocal natin. So, magiging over na to. Then, etong zero exponent, di ba kapag zero exponent, automatically 1. Yan. Then, etong negative exponent, kapag i-reciprocal natin, this will be x squared. So, 1 over x squared, ang answer natin for sample problem number 3. Yan. So, let's proceed na to sample problem number 4. We have 4x raised to 6, quantity raised to negative 3, y raised to negative 2. So, makapansin natin dito na may negative exponent ulit. So, what we should do is to reciprocal. So, magiging 1 over 4x raised to 6, magiging cube na siya dito, y squared. Okay. So, dito makikita natin sa denominator na pwedeng i-distribute tong 3 sa 4 and sa x raised to 6. So, this will be 1 over 4 squared, then x raised to 6 times 3, 3 to 3. Yan, 3. Then, y squared. Okay? So, magiging 1 over, simplify natin to. Yung 4 cube is equivalent to 64. Then, x, 6 times 3 is 18. Then, copy yung y squared. So, this will be the answer for our sample problem number 4. Okay. Then, let's proceed to the sample problem number 5. We have 6x cubed y squared over 9x raised to 5, y raised to negative 2, quantity raised to cube. So, dito, makikita natin na pwede nating i-apply yung quotient of power. So, we have 6, then x cubed, minus natin sa 5, then y squared, minus natin sa negative 2, then, sa over, ang matitira na lang is 9. Then, cube. So, dito, pwede nating i-simplify muna itong mga numerator. Then, dito sa 6 and 9, may visible sila. Visible by, divisible by 3. So, this will be, this will be, ito, pwede nating divided by 3, ito magiging 2. Then ito, 9 divided by 3 will be 3 na. So let's simplify na. So this will be 2, 2, x. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Tama? Then y, yung negative, ina-times natin sa negative 2 will be positive 2. So 2 plus 2 will be 4 over 3. And then, cube natin. Cube. Okay. So dito, pwede nating i-distribute na yung cube sa numerator and denominator. So magiging ano siya, 2 cube, then x, negative 2, times natin sa 3, then y, raised to 4, times natin sa 3, over 3 raised to 3 or 3 cube. So, simplify na natin. Yung 2 cube natin is equal to 8. Then, x is negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Then, y, 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, then over, ang 3 cube natin is 27. So, simplify na natin. Since itong numerator natin may negative exponent siya, so reciprocal ulit natin. So, matitira lang sa numerator is 8 y raised to 12 over etong magiging x raised to 6 natin, 27. Or pwede nating gawin na unahin muna natin itong constant. Unahin natin yung constant. Pwede nating unahin yung constant na 27. Okay? Ito. So, 27. Then, x raised to 6. So, yan na yung answer natin for sample problem number 5. So, box natin. Maraming salamat, katropais. Remember that you are never alone this journey. Nandito ang PICE-PUPSC Acad TV to guide you. Because here, we live no one behind. Never lose hope, our future engineer. This is just a start.